Hey guys, this is Beetle here, and welcome to my quad tutorial. This is one of my first actual educational videos, and in this tutorial we're going to be covering trot, canter, sprint, and jumping. We're not going to do walk because for me it's just really hard to explain for some reason, and in my opinion I just think that you can find that video anywhere as well with any of these, but I thought it'd just be good to make a video for it, because I have no idea what to post, and I thought this would be a good idea. And yes, I'm in my backyard. This is my backyard. This is not someone else's yard. I'm not in someone else's property, so yeah, let's get into it.
I think I really miss my bed. Oh, when will a nightmare end? I had it good, and yet I left and can't retrace my steps. My steps. Gonna be eaten by a coyote. Run, little one, though the pack may follow. Too quite thin, their brother fatter. Against the wind, just gotta be faster. Run for the yard, they fought at the gutter. That was a route, better find another. Was that a rabbit? Really not like the one I've seen on a cereal box. And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me? And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me?